You're in a conversation and someone says, gender identity is reality. The only way to know someone's gender is to ask. What would you say? Today, some people distinguish between biological sex and gender identity. We're told they are unrelated, meaning your body has nothing to do with your gender. Further, we're told that some people are born into the wrong body. While gender dysphoria is a real and challenging situation, the logic used to justify gender identity as the basis of reality is just as challenging, but in a different way. And here are 3 reasons why. First, feelings don't determine reality anywhere else. They shouldn't determine gender either. The desire to support a friend is understandable, even noble, but we have to think at least as deeply as we feel. We don't allow feelings to determine our age, height, weight, or species. All those things are objectively determined for us at birth. Even if we were adopted, we can't change who our parents are or the influence of their DNA. Thin people who feel overweight are called anorexic, and we try to help them. It's cruel to affirm their need to lose weight and watch them starve. The compassionate thing to do is be kind and help them see themselves as they really are. Which leads to the second point. If gender is a social construct, you can't be born in the wrong body. In an effort to explain transgenderism, we're told that gender is a social construct. By this, they mean that gender is not rooted in any fixed reality, but in our preferences and cultural norms. And since gender is a social construct, they say, male and female have no fixed definition. Here's the challenge with this logic. If male and female cannot be objectively defined, it's not possible to be born into the wrong body. If you can't be right, you can't be wrong either. In the world they offer us, where gender is simply a matter of feelings and opinions, there's no such thing as a male or female body. A man or woman can be born into any kind of body. Yet, 10 seconds later, they tell us that some people are born into the wrong body. This is like giving a child a test and telling them there are no right answers to the questions, but there are wrong answers. You should expect confusion. The intentions are no doubt good, but the logic is not. Which leads to the third point. If there is no clear definition of a man or woman, it's not possible to feel like a woman. We're told that some people born with male bodies feel like a woman, and vice versa. We are expected to accept that those feelings determine their reality. The problem is that the same people who tell us that some men feel like a woman also tell us that there is nothing unique about being a woman. In fact, the headlines assure us that men can give birth and women can be fathers. This begs the question. If the ability to birth a child doesn't make you a woman, why would a feeling make you a woman? How can anything be uniquely female? We all want to be kind, and we want to respect the fact that other people's experiences are different than our own. But we need to think at least as deeply as we feel. Good intentions aside, the logic of transgenderism is incoherent. So next time someone tells you that gender identity determines your gender, remember these 3 things. Feelings don't determine reality anywhere else. They shouldn't determine our gender either. Our height, eye color, genes, race, and even our gender are beyond our control. If gender is a social construct, you can't be born into the wrong body. If there's no such thing as a male or female body, it's not possible to be born into the wrong body. If there's no clear definition of a man or woman, it's not possible to feel like a woman. If childbirth isn't uniquely female, how can a feeling be? For What Would You Say? I'm Joseph Backholm. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit subscribe and make sure you can see the next one.